Everyone who has a pet, today hairy children, love them like babies. Little things about pets, big things for you. Visit the top 10 coconut producing countries in the world. After hundreds of times of raw material selection, the concept of sustainable development, create a pet wellness program. 20 months, more than 2,000 experiments. Past the EU REACH regulation SVHC High Concern 230 for tests. Coconut raw material organic certification. Make safety and health a top priority. The essence comes from the deep nourishment of natural coconut forest. And every drop of essence is a gentle comfort of the soul of coconut. Let every breath of your beloved pet feel like being in the cool breeze of coconut trees, under the blue sky and clear sea. Between hugs not only is warmth conveyed, but also the freshness and sweetness brought by the depths of the coconut forest, making the world of pets more colorful and vibrant. Instantly release the refreshing magic of coconut groves, making every day a journey with your beloved pet in the coconut groves, filled with natural joy and harmony. Discover the infinite magic of the coconut. Magicoco, a healthy life with coconuts.